if you're using Illustrator and come across some very old files of yours that you have created in freehand, then you're out of luck, because Illustrator ended freehand support in version CS5. So if you're using Illustrator, then all you can do is get this plugin here. I'm going to put a link into the comments. But let's take a look at something else. A couple of years ago, I've made a video about opening files in Scribus. But now we have Affinity for free, and it promises to open freehand files. So let's take a look at that. I'm going to Affinity and let's go to Open. I've got the freehand files in here and you see them, and you see a couple of them are active, but a couple of them aren't. So as we can see, Affinity only opens freehand 11 and it also opens freehand 10. So these can be opened. And let's take a look at that. I have this one here, and I'm going to open it. This is the result. And if you come across these old files, then you might not know what's even in them. Let's just make the comparison. I'm going to Scribus and do the same. So here's my folder, and you see in here we have a couple active, even back to freehand 7. There's a freehand 7 file, so that can be opened. And we have freehand 9, which was pretty popular because it was very stable. And then we have a file here. So that's the one I opened in Affinity. Let's open it in Scribus. And you see, boom, we have a couple of more things in that file. And above all, there's text inside of it, which is pretty important that Scribus can open the text as well, or not open, import it, because freehand was very frequently used for layouts. Multiple page layouts, and of course there was text in it. So with Affinity, the Scribus hack is not obsolete, not at all, because as you see, you get a lot more objects imported and you get the text. So here's the comparison. There are downsides with this as well. Above all, everything has a black outline, but at least you get more things.